I've been seeing a lot of comments about the Waveventure 700 and where to hook the water up. I just bought this one about a month ago. And just kind of get it running. It was it had been sitting up for a few years. Let's see if we can find. Right here is the hose. It is zip tied to the engine lift, and if you go around, let's see if I can get the phone down in there. That's where it hooks up to the engine block. Maybe it's in the. It feels like it's on the cylinder head, but I could be wrong. But anyway, that's what the hose looks like going to it. And just to show you how, it hooks up. Here's the piece that you're going to need to hook up to your water hose, and it's just a quick connect here. You just press that to undo it, and this has a valve on it, so when you hook it up to the water hose, you can turn it on and the water doesn't flow until you actually plug it in, just like that. Anyways, thank you, YouTube.